Hello everyone, so the 4th of July is approaching fast and Patriotic Popsicle Stick stars are going to be a great way to welcome its arrival. So that is the craft that we are going to be making today. I first want you to start off by coloring your sticks, okay? So you're going to want to color them however you want to. It can be any colors. I did blue on one side and red on the other because of red, white, and blue and Patriotic, but really you can make it however you want it to look. So start coloring and color your popsicle sticks. I would just start with your 5 popsicle sticks for your first star, and then if you decide you want to color more stars, then you can do that another time. Okay, now that you're all done coloring your popsicle sticks, you're going to start by gluing them together. So you have to kind of make a triangle, and just remember, a dot is a lot, so we don't need a lot of glue. And so you're going to just glue all the ends together like in the video, and then you have to let it dry. So kind of hold it down and press it and let it dry. Maybe go run around the house a couple times, because if we move it too soon, it will all fall apart, which won't be good. So just let it dry for a couple minutes and then we'll move on. Okay, once your star is finished drying, you are going to flip it over to the back side and you are going to start gluing on your streamers. So I decided I wanted to do 3 red streamers and 2 blue streamers. So I just placed some dots of glue where I wanted them, and then I put the streamers on there as well. Okay, now you might need some assistance because we are going to start hot gluing, okay? So hot glue is very hot to the touch, and so depending if you're going to make a wand or just have it as a decoration, depends on where you're going to put the hot glue. So if you're making a decoration, you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to put a dot of hot glue down, and then put your ribbon down and then twirl it in a circle so it makes a loop, and glue the other end of the ribbon down with another dot of glue. If you're going to make a wand, you are going to add a dot of glue somewhere to the bottom of your star, and you're going to put that stick down on top of the glue and then let that cool as well, because don't touch it, it'll hurt if you touch, but you're going to want to let it cool and dry, and then once it's dried, then you'll be able to flip it back over and start decorating the front. Okay, now that you flip it over to the front, I crinkled my paper because I just thought it looked nice like that. But now you can decorate this however you want it to be. So I added some silver sequins to the top row to act like stars, and I added some blue sequins to the other ends of the star. But I want you to do it however you want it to look. It's up to you because it's your star. Okay? And that is how you do your Patriotic Popsicle Stick Star. You can repeat this and watch these videos over with the sticks that you have left if you want to make more. If you don't, then that's fine too. I hope you enjoyed this make and take project, and I hope you have a great 4th of July.